Chrysler may have said that they no longer have plans to develop a Hellcat version of the Pacifica. This means that there is little chance for the world to witness a Pacifica minivan that can develop a whopping 707 horsepower. Chrysler has not explained why they are avoiding the development of the Pacifica Hellcat. The carmaker only revealed that they prefer to keep the Hellcat makeover as an idea which they may explore if necessary. Well, if you greatly desire to see a 707 horsepower minivan, then you should not lose hope just yet, because one Honda Odyssey has gone viral online thanks to having 727 horsepower. The special tuned Odyssey is powered by a Prelude engine, and it has been tuned to churn out such insane amount of power. If that is not crazy enough, the video of the Odyssey shows that the owner is daily driving the vehicle. This is pretty insane, but it does show that an overpowered minivan can do just fine. Will it be enough to tempt Chrysler into building the 707 horsepower Pacifica though?